Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video I am going to be doing an organization video. Now when I got these set of drawers, I just put everything that was already in my existing drawers in there and just made it work. But I feel like I need like a little bit more of a system going, and I really want to like sort out the drawers and just like organize it just a little bit more, because I have cardboard boxes in there, and the thing with cardboard boxes is that once it starts getting too full it can break, and you know, not a vibe. So I decided to go to Westpack and get some storage containers, and yeah, we're just basically going to be going through the stuff that I got from Westpack. I think honestly this is like the most affordable storage I've ever come across ever. So let's talk about what I got. Okay, first I had to take out the non-storage items. So first I got this for my lip liners. This is like a fridge container. I tried my best not to get like these notch ones, but this was 22 rand 90 cents. 22 rand 90 cents. Okay, then I got 3 of these drawer organizers. So this is what they look like. This is really nice for putting powders in, and yeah, right now, like I said, I have like cardboard boxes and I want to kind of do away with the cardboard boxes, because I also feel like the dimensions are a little bit difficult in the sense that there's like ends up being like wasted space in the drawers. So yeah, I got these for powders and lippies. And then these were, so these fridge drawers were 39 rand 90, so 40 rand each. And so for 3 I paid 119 rand 70. And then I picked up these non-slip drawer organizer 4-piece set. So it's a long one, it's a slightly shorter one, it's the shortest, like 4 different sizes basically of non-slip, which I think is really nice for like compacts and all of that good stuff. Then this was 79 rand 90 cents for this 4-piece drawer set. And then lastly I got a little like melamine tray. And then lastly I got 2 fridge storage containers. So this actually, all of this all together came up to like, hold on, how much are these? Oh, so these fridge storage were each 54 and 90 cents. So yeah, that is how much this fridge storage costed. So for both of these it was 109 and 80 cents. So altogether, okay, so yeah, altogether everything came to under 350 rand. It's about 330 odd something. But yeah, let's get into organizing my drawers. I'm going to show you what everything looks like right now. There's some miscellaneous items as well that I really want to figure out like where to put stuff and find out like a better solution, like a storage solution for some things. So let's get into it. Okay, so these are the drawers. In this first drawer we have primers at the back, we have random things in the corner like a selfie light and some hair clips. Then we have lip liners, brow products, more brow products. So you guys see when I use the boxes, kind of like, well, you guys will see as we move along with the drawers. The second drawer is like this. So this box, I mean, it sits well side by side, but you can see there's so much of like wasted space in the drawer. So hopefully we can sort that out. This is the foundation drawer, pretty much the same thing. There's the box and then there's just space in the corner there, and yeah, we just want to better utilize everything. Also another box, but you see I feel like compacts would be better in something a bit taller or higher. But yeah, we'll figure everything out. You guys can see there's mascaras and stuff. They probably should be in this top drawer. but I haven't figured out a system. We have palettes here. This is still fine. We have more palettes here and smaller things. This is also still fine, but these can be a little bit more organized. And in this drawer we have a whole bunch of miscellaneous things. So this drawer is fine, but when I open and close this drawer, a lot of these things tend to fall over, so I think I want to kind of like, you know, avoid that. And then in this last drawer we have a whole bunch of extra stuff, whole bunch of like things that I reach for, sunblock and all of that stuff. So this, actually those two things on the top drawer should actually go here. The hair clips, they should actually go down here. This actually needs to go by my chest of drawers at my bedside, because it belongs there. It doesn't belong in this drawer. Okay, so now is the time for me to organize, and I love organizing. It's like my favorite thing to do, so I'm gonna get into it. Okay guys, so I am done. I just want to show you guys this Ferrero Rocher container. It's literally cracked because there's just so many things in there. So yeah, let me show you guys what the drawers look like. Hold on, I'll be back. Okay, I had to go fetch a delivery, but I created more space that I could actually fit in some lashes. So my lashes are still not the drawer, and yeah, I was like, I always had to go from this station to that station to get lashes, but now I can finally fit everything in. So let me show you guys. Okay, so we have the first drawer. Ooh, this is dirty. Do not judge me. Okay, this is my personal collection. So we have primers here at the back, some primers that can't stand up in the corner here. We have my Mama Mitchell highlight palette. We have all of my face powders here. Then we have highlights. And yeah, this is just highlights, blushes, bronzes. All of my face powders are in here, and everything fits so nicely. I didn't have to have a storage container for this section because everything fit pretty well. So this is like my primers and basically like complexion stuff, which is great. Then the next drawer, we have all my lippies. So I took the Ferrero Rocher container that had my Jeffree Star minis and I just left it in the lid. And under here we have two of those smaller squares. Everything managed to fit really well. I could see everything better because with the what's the word, with the cardboard, it came up quite high, so it was like this high and I could barely see what was going on. So I feel like now I can see what's going on. I can see all the colors of it better. And then I have lip liners in this drawer right here. We still have some space to put my Switch Beauty glosses. Then we have enough space to put some glosses here as well. Oh, this gloss fell. Okay, so these glosses are new, so just gonna even it out so it doesn't fall. But this is everything. So all my traditional lipsticks, liquid lipsticks are back here, mini lipsticks, all of that stuff. And then here we have all my Revlon lippies, all my glosses here as well. So yeah, all my lip products are finally in one drawer, so that is amazing. Love that. Then we have the third drawer, and this, so I mean, I don't think I really had to put that container in there, but all my foundations are in this corner. And then we have a bigger storage bin, so that one is also in the first drawer. And yeah, I kept all my concealers in my Ferrero Rocher container. All my setting sprays are here. I can't keep them standing upright because they're too tall for these drawers. And then all my stick foundations and cream foundations in this corner, BB cream as well. And then my primers, I kind of keep my primers with my concealers to remind myself to use them. So yeah, this is what the drawer looks like. I know it looks a little messy, but it's organized chaos for me. So yeah, like how that looks. Then we have this drawer, which is the lashes, the brows, You guys can see I was able to make space for the lashes. I put them in these containers because then it just keeps them from dancing around the whole drawer. And then these are, well, there's this pixie crayon that I haven't used yet that I want to use, and then all my mascaras are in here as well. I have 2 powders, face powders that I usually mix for my highlight. And then yeah, this is brow gels, put them in this small one, brow products. And yeah, I feel like this drawer is nice and organized. It looks probably the best. And then this drawer is nice and neat. Some of the palettes that were in the other drawers, I managed to put them in here. Everything looks nice and tidy. And then in this drawer, I put all of that miscellaneous stuff that was just strewn all over here in this little basket. And now it's a lot more organized. This drawer, what I'm gonna do is, because these liquids keep falling, we're gonna lay them like that, because then now when you open and close the drawer, they're not dancing all over the place. This actually can go with the concealers. I don't know why it was there, but yeah, I feel like I can also get to all of my foundations and see all of the foundations that I have when they're packed like this, you know. So yeah, this is what the final drawer looks like. This one, you guys know, is my miscellaneous drawer, wet wipes, brushes, all of that stuff. And that's it. So you guys, that is it for organizing my makeup drawers. I do well in situations where my things are organized. Sometimes I speak too fast, and sometimes when I say really, it comes out of my mouth as really. Annoying. But anyway, I speak too fast, that's my problem. So yeah, everything looks really nice and tidy. Oh, you know what I need to do? In my lash drawer, I need to, okay, there is some space, but I need to put like my lash glue in this little space here, because vibes. I actually have a brand new one that I just bought, which needs to go in that drawer, in the lash drawer. So yeah, I'm feeling very good about organizing, you guys. I felt like the storage solutions I was able to find from Westpack was so affordable. The fact that I spent under $350, amazing. So yeah, that is it for this video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed organizing my makeup collection. This is pretty much all the makeup that I have. I know it doesn't look like, okay, it is a lot. Let's not downplay it, it's a lot. And yeah, I still have some makeup on my shelves, but I also want to sort out my shelves as well. So if you guys think I should take you on that organizing my shelf makeup situation, comment down below, let me know. If you guys haven't noticed, I really love organizing. It's like my favorite thing to do, and it really just like, it's calming and it's relaxing, and when your things are organized, you just feel like you can take on the world. No? Just me? But yeah, I love it. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to slay all day every day with another makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.